Oh, Brittany. I hope you enjoy your song. This one just for you. Sing it all day long.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hello, how are you? My name is Brittany. Here on my channel, I like to discuss my past, my life, my journey with the hopes of inspiring and motivating and providing personal development tips in my own little ways that resonate with women and girls who may have similar backgrounds to myself. So if that's something you're interested in, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. So today I'm going to be reviewing some products that I was sent by Sephora. I did not pay for this, it was gifted to me. However, my thoughts and opinions are truly mine. The company that I'm working with actually requests that we give our honest opinion about the products when we review them. On this video, I will be reviewing the GOOPGLOW skincare that they recently came out with. If you're wondering why I'm looking all shiny and glowy, you can blame it on GOOPGLOW. I'm gonna give you step-by-step on how I use their products and my overall opinion of it. I do want to add that I do read the comments. I do see that there was a request for a detailed skincare routine that I do, and that is coming right up as well. But today I'm just reviewing the products, but I will follow up with a skincare routine sometime next week. You're gonna be surprised, but yes, I'm gonna come with my original skincare routine for you guys. This is the GOOPGLOW Vox Box that I was sent to review. It contains glow-inducing skincare all-stars from Goop. They're clinically proven to exfoliate, smooth, and brighten. You will see me use the Microderm Instant Glow Exfoliator, the Glycolic Fruit Acid Overnight Glow Peel Light, and the Morning Skin Superpower Drink. Okay, so the first step that I do is I take some alcohol, a razor, and I take a cotton pad and I clean the razor with one. The razor that I'm gonna be using on my face to shave my hairs, I go ahead and clean it with alcohol because we don't know, we gotta be clean and safe. So I clean the razor. This prep you see me doing, I like to do this once every 3 months. I like to believe that it helps my skin take the products better. And I also take another cotton pad and I clean my face. I think it's important to go ahead and start with a clean face with no product on it. No product on my face. Sometimes we can wash our face and our face could still be dirty. So I like to go ahead and start with a clean canvas, if you will. See, my face was clean, but you can still see that the cotton pad still looks dirty. Now that I've done that, it may seem crazy, but now I take some coconut oil, same coconut oil from my last video. I use it for everything, and I slather my face in it. Before I shave my face. I do not shave my face all the time. The only time I shave my face is whenever I can catch it with no bumps. Do not shave your face if you have bumps on your face. See how that instantly makes a difference? I shade everything. Not my edges, but I shade really close to my eyebrows, my lip, my upper lip. Yeah, it's a lot of hair. Sometimes if I feel like I need to go back in, like I missed a spot, I will. But for the most part, I feel like it's pretty good. I'll go ahead and clean my face. So here I'm washing my hands before I wash my face with the product Cetaphil, my favorite daily cleanser. I use the Cetaphil to remove the oil that I just placed on my face. It's gentle, so you're gonna see me using this multiple times throughout this treatment. Okay, I'm all done. Now it's time to get ready to prepare for my steam. In my steam, I like to use jojoba oil and grapeseed oil. As you see, I'm using the tea kettle. This is just a cheaper option, but you can also buy a facial steamer, or if you have one, you can go ahead and use that. But I like to use my tea kettle because I'm cheap. I steam my face for a good 15 minutes, and then you will see me add the Cetaphil once again, because I like to believe that I'm opening up my pores, applying the Cetaphil, letting the product get deep down inside my pores, and then I'm gonna clean my face again. So yes, it's important to me to have an extra clean face, especially after shaving it. After applying the Cetaphil, I steam for an additional 10 minutes, and then I remove the Cetaphil from my face by washing it. Here I'm patting my face just enough to leave it damp so that I can apply the Microderm Instant Glow Exfoliator. When you apply this, you apply it in a circular motion. The exfoliator polishes your skin to soften, smooth, and improve the texture for a radiant, glowing complexion. It smells so good, and it did just that for my face. After applying it, you leave it on to 2 to 3 minutes, and then you rinse your face off and move to the next step. Next, you take the pre-soaked glycolic acid peel. It smells so good. You just rub it over your face in a circular motion, just like that. Hey guys, I wanted to come on and get some type of follow-up after the last step. That was the overnight skin peel. I feel so refreshed. It has not been overnight, but I wanted to come on and say that I don't feel sticky at all. I feel light and refreshed and rejuvenated. I really like this product. They sent me the product to review, and I just want to say that I really enjoy it. I'm not saying that because I got the products for free, but it's my real honest opinion, and that's what they would like. In my honest opinion, I would have to say that I'm really, like, look at my face. there is a glow, which I have a natural glow, but after the treatment that I just did to my face, everything that I just done, like, I can already tell the difference. It looks really good, soft, glowy, supple. It is soft, like, it is so soft. It feels so good. I don't like touching my face. That's one thing that I don't do, but it looks really good. The last product is the Morning Skin Superpower Drink. It has a very citrusy taste. It's really good, and it is said to help with the glow from the inside out. I like to have it in the morning on my balcony. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching.
Oh,